Hello everyone, it's me again, Anyway Black Swan. I'm back again with another wig review. This is with the company CYNOSURE Hair. So they sent me a wig and they gave me a couple of goodies, which I am not mad about at all. They gave me a edge wrap, lay your edges, and they gave me additional adjustable straps just in case, I need to make the wig nice and snug, and some lashes. When I got the wig, protocol, you got to go ahead and wash that thing, but look at the natural 4C edges. That is the selling point of this wig. They came out with these different texture of wigs. You can go on the website, the information will be down below, but the edges are 4C, so it's gonna match your hair type. So the wig that I got is a 3x4, 220% density, and it's 20 inches, and it's a deep wave. It's lace front, So I went ahead and did that. Like the wave pattern that they sent it in was gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it was gorgeous. But you do need to wash it out because you want the hair to be nice and clean. You want a nice clean base before you start installing your hair. So I went ahead and used the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. This is like my go-to when it comes to like deep wave or curly hair. Works really, really good. It's not heavy, gets the hair nice and clean as per usual. I never have any problems with this shampoo and conditioner when it comes to my wigs. And then also, as I'm washing the hair, I'm noticing there is no shedding. This is a well-constructed wig. The cap is extremely well constructed. I really did like the way it felt. It felt nice and soft. Whatever process they put this hair through, A1. And that's literally no cap. This is a paid promotion, but I was not paid to say that in particular, because look at the way this hair is looking after I'm finished. Perfection. Just absolute perfection. Okay, so I made a little mistake. I wasn't recording while I was prepping my cap. Like, I cannot believe I sat here and did all this work. But I'm good for doing stuff like that. So what I did while I thought I recorded was me, getting my cap ready. And it's the same cap method that I always use. Use the freeze spray to adhere to my head. And I stop it right at my hairline. I know, I got a lot of forehead. So, and then afterwards, I use my Ghost Bond to, seal off the edges. I didn't put any makeup on my cap because I have a beige cap. Readjusted the straps, the two straps. I readjusted it. I put it closer because my head's small. And then here's the inside of the wig, so you can see how much lace you get to work with. It's a pretty good amount. And now for the moment of truth. I have not put this wig on my head yet. So I'm excited to see how these natural edges look like. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Oh, that's so adorable. The fake, I was really worried about, oops, I keep touching the mic. I was really worried about the fake edges, how they were gonna look, but it looks really cute. It looks adorable, I like it, hold on. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna use my Ghost Bond. I'm gonna use my freeze spray. This is my new go-to item when I am doing my wigs. And I got this from the beauty supply. It's super cheap and it melts your wig like none other. Baby, take a really good look at it. Let me make sure my camera can pick it up. And I got the really big bottle. I saw this lady on TikTok use it and she was using it on her clients like melt the lace. Oh my gosh. I was like, I know you lying. And it's been there the whole time. People have she's been using this the whole time, and I've been spending god awful amounts of money on. I'm lying, girl. I'm broke, but I've been spending. Okay. I don't have money, right, like that, but I be spending money. If you know what I'm saying. So the money I be spending on products from these hair gurus on Instagram. It's not a cute amount of money. Like it's a lot to me. Not okay. This stuff is like magic. You spread it, you just spray it on, tap it in with your finger. And the only thing I have to do is after I put it on, I have to let it set for a good amount of time. Not a good amount of time, I would say like 20 minutes. 20 minutes minimal. And yes, I know it's dirty, leave me alone. But I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and let it marinate. Okay, so this is how the hair looks while it's been dried. This is how far down it goes. A little past my chest. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to get into these curls and see what happens when I put like some styling foam on it. Because you already seen after I washed it how nicely the curls look when they are wet. And then now it's been dry, the wig's completely dry. So this is, and I've been running my fingers through it. So, because I'm trying to see how big the hair can get. It can get pretty big, but it's not like one of those big where it's like unwearable. This is pretty cute. This is like a cute big right here. So I think it's been sitting long enough, the edges, because I'm just ready for me to just give you my final review. Okay, so the edges do feel a lot more natural. Ooh, let me get my lighting. I gotta stay right for my lighting to be right. Okay, so the edges do come off way more natural. Oh my gosh, I'm not done yet. Okay, so you know how like I don't know if y'all do this too, but sometimes I'll lay my edges down and then to like get the shape that I want, and then I'll like comb through it to unstick them. So I have like a flyaway look, so it looks like more of a natural baby hair look. So the one thing I do like about this, oh my gosh, the lighting. The one thing I do like about this is that when I do the unsticking, they look like baby hairs. It looks like if I go out, a YT person is probably gonna think this is my hair. I didn't have to do any harsh chemicals to the wig. Like I didn't have to like readjust the wig at all. So I put concealer on the lace to cover the knots. And then the part that I got on my hair, like the makeup that I got on my hair, I just used this root spray. I don't know if you can see it. I use this root spray and I got it from the Dollar General. Girl, if I did the flexi rods and comb through this, it's over. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Because baby hairs are already giving you a vibe. So, what do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. I like it. Girl, what are you talking about? Let me know down in the comments, but keep the negativity to yourself. Like, tell me, but don't tell me. Because I like it. Don't pop my bubble. But this is really cute. Y'all like it? Y'all see what I'm seeing? Okay, I'm rambling. Thank y'all guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you on your next wig purchase. And Yes, the content is coming. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. This video has to be done in a time crunch, and I'm still editing the other video because I had to get a new hard drive, and my hard drive was I didn't format it, so I did like 2 days of editing, and then like my file got corrupted, and then I had to redo it again. I had to actually refilm, and then now I'm editing it again. So please don't leave me. Please don't leave me. I promise you, it's fun. I mean, like it's fun. Just stay around. Give me a chance. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow. Oh yeah, and then check me out on my Instagram. I'm losing followers on Instagram. People don't like me on there. So follow me at MUA_Black Swan, BLACSWAN. And that's just if you want to. I mean, you don't have to. I just really would appreciate it. And then like, I'll follow you back if you put down in the comments like, hey, I'm from YouTube. Like, I'm absolutely following you. You kidding me? So, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.